Aturukuku Primary School.
Aturukuku number 2. Industrial View number 3. St. Kizito number 4. Morikatepe View number 5. Gardenia, not Oceania, but Gardenia. Chemoinula number 7. Victory Junior, Valley Road number 8. 8 children are going. They are there warming up. That side has a problem. Please, children, help us. Do what the people, the opposite are doing. Wait. See what the West people have organized themselves. They have encroached. The next group. People are booking their tickets to Dororo Nationals. People are booking tickets to Dororo Nationals. Seriously. When they hear of Dororo again, they say, hey, get to the idea. That's now at a different level. Exactly. The children are very ready. Under 12, the girls. Tomorrow, under 14. Today, strictly under 12. Tomorrow, at this time, we shall be summarizing. We arrive so early. They are getting their numbers. Number 1 is height. Number 4. Elgon View. Number 5. Oguti. Number 6. Mudakori. Number 7. Finally, number 8 is Toro Police. The children. Thank you. Allow them do what they are supposed to do. This side has a problem. We are still using force. These people are refusing to get our instruction. Why can't you copy what the other ones have done? For others in Europe, you give instruction only once. But in Africa, as you enter, but I will not. What is it? Sorry. Okay, you move aside. Create there a space. Create there a space. At least it's now fair. But the extreme end. At least there, if we can maintain that, yes.